guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses, and today we are going to be talking about the fashion and design course. As many people have been interested in the fashion and design course, you have been asking questions and I'll be reading those questions and giving you answers. And one of the questions I have been getting is, what are the requirements for a fashion design course at Finstock Evarsity College? So if you want to do a basics course, you require no grade. But if you want to do a certificate, you need to have a D minus. If you want to do a diploma, you need to have a C minus. And what are the entry requirements for fashion design? I have already said that if you want to do a short course, no grade, diploma, C minus, and a certificate, a D minus. And then someone is asking, how much does this cost to study a fashion design at Finstock Evarsity College? So for the basic courses, they cost you from around 3,000, that is 2,000 for certification, and 1,000 for 1,000 is for registration. But you find for other short courses it will range from 6,000 to 50,000 depending on the level or the type of course, the type of unit that you'll be taking. But some of the subjects that I'll be learning in fashion and design. So some of the things that we'll be learning is things like pattern making. You'll be learning about textiles. You'll be learning about garment construction, fashion illustration, fashion and design, fashion business, fashion ornamentation, fashion management. All these you'll be learning in the fashion design course. And then can I do a fashion design with a D minus? So we have said if you want to do a certificate, you need to have a D minus. If you want to do a diploma, you need to have a C minus. So if you have a D minus, you can always do a certificate course at Finstock Evarsity College. And then how do I get a job as a fashion designer? It's very, very easy. Number one, you need to complete a fashion design program, and we have said you can do it at Finstock Evarsity College, and then you gain on-hand experience, which is something that you get at Finstock Evarsity College, whereby after you have completed the course, they make sure that they attach you to a place where you can get hands-on skills, and then you will be able to network within the industry, and then after that you'll be able to design your portfolio and then stay up to date with the fashion trends, and that is how you get employed. And then someone is asking, where do fashion designers work? So you find that fashion designers, they can work in wholesale or manufacturing establishments. They can work in apparel companies, retailers, theaters, or dance companies, or design firms. So you find that most fashion designers, they can work at these places. Then someone is asking about maths. I don't know why many people are interested in learning more about math. How much math is in fashion design? So you find that you will need to know maths, because ensuring that the clothing will fit the models requires exact and calculated measurements. So you find that the price of even items, designers and retailers use math to determine clothing prices by calculating the cost of fabric, the hangers, the thread, and other necessities. So they also use math to determine when and how to offer discounts. So you find that math is very necessary if you are doing a fashion design course. So someone is asking, is fashion and design a good career? So you find that, not to mention that fashion design is one of the most rewarding careers you can have. It can give you a sense of self-satisfaction and fulfillment that you can't find in any other job or any other industry. So those are some of the questions I have been getting in the fashion design about the fashion and design course. I hope I have answered most of your questions. If you have any other question, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video you can always be notified. If you're interested in doing a fashion design course, do it at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call 0703 313 722. Until next time, goodbye.